Welcome back to the ultimate destination for all things motorcycle, automotive, and tech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we've got something very special lined up, an in-depth look at one of the most iconic motorcycles ever made, the 2025 Honda Super Cub. So buckle up, grab a snack, and let's dive into this legendary bike. The Honda Super Cub is a name that carries weight in the world of motorcycles. It's been around for decades and has built a legacy of being the bike that revolutionized the industry. First introduced back in 1958, the Super Cub is recognized as the best-selling motorcycle in history, with over 100 million units sold worldwide. So, it's safe to say that this is no ordinary bike. And now, in 2025, Honda is set to unveil the next generation of the Super Cub. But how does the 2025 model stack up to its predecessors? Well, let's take a deep dive into everything you need to know about the 2025 Honda Super Cub. Now, before we start, let's rewind just a bit. The Super Cub was designed to be a simple, reliable, and efficient motorcycle that anyone could ride. It was originally designed for the Japanese market as a way to give ordinary people access to affordable personal transportation. It wasn't meant to be a high-performance machine, but rather an everyday workhorse that could be used for commuting, running errands, or even delivering goods. Fast forward to 2025, and the Super Cub is still true to its roots. Honda has maintained its essence as a practical and affordable motorcycle, but with several upgrades that bring it into the modern era while staying true to its heritage. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Honda Super Cub retains the iconic look that made the original model so famous. It still has that charming retro aesthetic with its clean lines, rounded headlamp, and the signature step-through frame. But it's been subtly refined with a more modern touch. The bodywork has a sleeker, more contemporary finish, and Honda has introduced some new color options that give the bike a fresh, vibrant look while still maintaining that timeless charm. Honda has also made some subtle changes to improve aerodynamics and overall stability. The front fork has been upgraded for better handling, and the rear suspension has been tuned for a smoother ride. So, while it looks like the classic Super Cub we all know and love, the 2025 model brings some modern enhancements that give it a more refined presence on the road. Now, let's talk about the engine. For many people, the heart of any motorcycle is the engine, and the Super Cub is no different. The 2025 model is powered by a more efficient and environmentally friendly engine than its predecessors. The engine is still a single-cylinder, air-cooled 109cc unit, which has been carefully tuned for optimal performance while keeping fuel consumption low. This is one of the reasons why the Super Cub has always been such a popular choice for commuters. Its fuel efficiency is outstanding. In fact, the 2025 Super Cub is even more fuel efficient than its predecessors, thanks to some advanced engineering. Honda has incorporated a new fuel injection system that not only improves performance, but also reduces emissions. This is a big win for environmentally conscious riders, as the Super Cub continues to be an eco-friendly choice for daily use. But it's not just about fuel economy. The engine delivers smooth and reliable power. Whether you're cruising around town or zipping through city streets, the 2025 Super Cub offers a smooth, pleasant ride with plenty of power when you need it. The engine has been optimized for low-end torque, which means that you'll feel confident pulling away from a stoplight or navigating through traffic. One of the most notable updates to the 2025 Honda Super Cub is its transmission. The classic model featured a semi-automatic transmission, but Honda has now moved to a fully automatic, continuously variable transmission, CVT. This means that there are no gears to shift, making the bike even more user-friendly, especially for beginners or people who want a low-maintenance motorcycle. The CVT is smooth and efficient, providing seamless acceleration and deceleration without the need to worry about clutch control. But the changes don't stop there. Honda has also updated the braking system on the 2025 Super Cub. It now comes with disc brakes at both the front and rear, replacing the older drum brakes that were standard on earlier models. This means better stopping power, especially at higher speeds or in emergency situations. The brake levers are also more ergonomically designed, offering a comfortable grip and more precise control. In terms of handling, the 2025 Super Cub is a joy to ride. The updated suspension system, along with a slightly lower seat height, makes it an excellent choice for riders of all sizes. The bike is light, nimble, and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for city commuting and tight spaces. Whether you're dodging traffic or navigating a crowded parking lot, the Super Cub's small footprint and low center of gravity make it incredibly agile and easy to handle. Honda has also integrated modern tech features into the 2025 model, making it more connected and user-friendly. One of the standout features is the new digital display, which shows all the important information you need while riding, such as speed, fuel level, trip meter, and even a clock. The display is clear, easy to read, and helps riders stay informed while on the go. For those who like a little extra tech, the 2025 Super Cub offers smartphone connectivity. By connecting your phone to the bike, you can access additional features like navigation, music controls, and even call notifications directly on the display. It's the perfect blend of old-school charm with modern convenience. But what about safety? Well, Honda hasn't skimped on that either. The 2025 Super Cub comes with advanced safety features such as ABS, anti-lock braking system, which helps prevent wheel lockup during hard braking. The bike also features improved lighting with brighter LED headlights and taillights for better visibility at night. Plus, the Super Cub now comes with an upgraded alarm system which provides extra security and peace of mind for owners. When it comes to comfort, the 2025 Honda Super Cub shines. The seat has been redesigned to provide a more comfortable riding experience, even on longer trips. It's cushioned, supportive, and wide enough to accommodate riders of all shapes and sizes. The ergonomics of the bike have also been improved, with handlebars that offer a more natural riding position. Whether you're riding for 10 minutes or an hour, the Super Cub offers a ride that's both enjoyable and comfortable. Another feature that's worth mentioning is the bike's cargo capacity. One of the key selling points of the Super Cub has always been its practicality, and Honda has improved upon this in the 2025 model. The rear cargo rack is larger and more durable, allowing you to carry more gear, whether you're heading to work, running errands, or even going on a short weekend trip. And for those who like to customize their bikes, Honda has introduced a variety of accessories that allow you to personalize your Super Cub with additional storage options, comfort features, and even performance upgrades. So, what about the price? While the 2025 Honda Super Cub has undergone several upgrades, Honda has managed to keep the price very reasonable, maintaining the Super Cub's reputation as an affordable motorcycle for everyday use. The exact price will vary depending on the country and any optional add-ons, but it's expected to remain in the same ballpark as previous models, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. The 2025 Honda Super Cub is set to be a game-changer in the world of small motorcycles. With its combination of modern technology, improved performance, and retro styling, it's a bike that appeals to both longtime fans of the Super Cub and new riders looking for a reliable and practical motorcycle. Whether you're a commuter, a delivery rider, or simply someone who enjoys the charm of a small bike, the 2025 Super Cub has something for everyone. So there you have it, the 2025 Honda Super Cub. It's everything we've come to love about the iconic motorcycle, but with modern upgrades that make it even better. If you're as excited about this bike as we are, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, motorcycle news, and all the latest updates from the world of two wheels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.